Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to make a blue cheese dressing. This is a favorite of mine and one that we use all the time, and you can use it in a lot of different ways. I hope you're really going to enjoy it. So, real simple. We've got a little sour cream, some mayonnaise, a little Dijon mustard, of course some nice blue cheese. I've got a little Point Reyes blue here, but whatever your favorite one is. A little half and half, or you could use milk or heavy cream. Hot sauce, whatever your flavor. A little Worcestershire and some pepper. Let's just go ahead and get started. So, we're going to do a little sour cream and mayonnaise. I do a little more mayonnaise than sour cream, so figure out how much you're going to want and just roll with that. So we'll do a little of that. And then, like I said, on the mayonnaise, we're going to do a little more mayonnaise than the sour cream. And then the Dijon, just give it a nice little spoonful. And again, this is flavor. You don't really want to pull away from that white, but you do want to give it that little bit of a tang and a little zing. We'll hit it with a couple of drops of Worcestershire, a couple of drops of your favorite hot sauce, Cholula, Frank's. You like Tabasco, use that. And then the blue cheese. Now the blue cheese you can do a couple different ways. You can crumble it, you can chop it, you could just put it in there in chunks and hit it with the blender. I like to use the grater. I find for the dressing this works about the best because you get nice pieces. It stirs in nice, but you're still going to get a nice feel for it. And like I said, you know, so however much you want to put in, you're going to want a good amount because you want to taste it. You can almost never put too much in. Okay, we're going to get that. And then from here, now we're just going to mix it up. And this is where your little half and half's going to come in. We're going to need a little bit of nice amount of some ground pepper and maybe a little bit of salt. Again, the blue cheese is going to have plenty, and so is everything else, so you're not going to need a lot. And then we're just going to add your half and half in till you get the consistency that you like. And get it a nice smooth consistency, but you look at that. I mean, you're still getting all those nice chunks of the blue cheese that are just going to make it yummy. And like I said, make it about as thick as you like it. I like it about medium. That way you can use it as a dip. You can use it nice on the salads. That's it. Have that there. I might like another little sprinkle. And there we go. This is going to be a fabulous blue cheese dressing. Once you have this, you're never going to go buy it again. Thanks for watching. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering, Lake Worth. Hope you enjoy that, and let me know what you think.